Good morning, friends. It's a beautiful day out today. A few clouds in the sky. It's warm. A light breeze, but too much breeze to do any burning today. I have everything on this particular irrigation controller working just fine, with one exception. This piece of irrigation is broken. There's a crack in this T connection on the back side. You can't see it. The only way I could actually see it was to run the irrigation, and it opened that crack up. Now, normally you don't have a crack happen in a vertical piece of pipe, especially when there's no water in it. So I'm not sure how this broke. Irene thinks maybe it got bumped by Rufus, or maybe when we were hauling something around, but no matter what, I need to replace this T, which is going to be a little bit of a trick because there's not a lot of space between this T and this valve right here. Fortunately, it's only the T that's broken, but I'm going to need to cut it off here, here, and here. And then it'll be tricky to get the new one put in, but I'm going to get started. It's cured, I think.
Okay. I didn't check any other spots that I watered today. It worked right. Tomorrow we get to harvest our first asparagus. That's why I wanted to get the other one trimmed right away because and I still need to cut out some. I've got to get my Clorox water out again and disinfect and cut out a few more things. Some of these things are not going to sprout, and I want them gone.
Well, this one's behind because it's been in the shade.
Well, yeah, this bed is always a smidge behind everything else. We have an interesting combination of bugs in here today. I'm sorry, I don't allow you to make a house here. That's a beetle. He was going to dig a hole in the ground and go into it. No.
Well, shall we go try that other irrigation?
We could do that.
All right.
Yeah. I need to check this because it seems like it put out more water than it should have. Could just be the random way this stuff is working, but these all got the same amount of water. And yet this one looks really wet, so you just need to understand what's going on there. Okay, that's bed number 10 as I recall.
I think so.
Yeah, it is. Is everything set the way you want it to be set?
Yes.
Okay.
It's all set to go. Sounds like it's turned on.
Yeah, I can hear it turn on.
Working okay?
Yeah. What I'll do is I'll actually run this so that it gets some juice, because it hasn't gotten juice.
You can also run some in the bottom if you want.
I could, but you know, I feel like the I've been watering the beds, and so I'm not too concerned about that. But I want to get it its top water at least, which of course goes right down real quick.
What do you think?
Good. Now all you have to do is fix that up with the block in place.
Later. The yard hose bib at work.
Yeah, I transplanted a few plants over there this morning, so I want to give them some water. I mostly planted them in the shade, but I still want to give them some water.
It's nice having that work.
Yeah. Well, I was pretty sure it worked because I thought I saw water over here.